Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee. As you can see, if you are not new here, I dyed my hair because quarantine, you know. So today I thought I would come and do a bit of a fashion haul because if you don't know me, I don't really do fashion hauls because I don't like to buy things. But I thought, you know, I went on BOOHOO, they were having a sale. Everything in this haul was less than £10. So, you know, I thought I would just purchase a few bits. I also got a couple of things from first, so I'm going to include that in this video. But yeah, if you would like to see what I got, then carry on watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below and leave me a comment what you like or if you would like to see any other kind of videos. And yeah, let's get on with the haul. So the first thing I'm actually wearing, this is like a little black off the shoulder, like milkmaid kind of top. It's really cute. It's like black with white polka dots. It's like a really stretchy material as well, which I really like because, you know, stretch is always comfy. I don't like clothes that make me feel like this. So I believe this was about like £5 or something. Like I said, nothing in this haul was over £10 apart from the next thing I'm going to show you because it's like a two-piece. But yeah, it's like really stretchy. I think I got this in a size 10. I'm usually like a size 8 to 10 depending on brand and item of clothing or whatever. So yeah, the next thing I got was obviously a loungewear suit because I like to do a bit of lounging and I like to be in a cute little loungewear suit when I do so sometimes. Sometimes I'm just wearing a big old ugly baggy t-shirt, sometimes I like to, you know, try and look a little cute. This is what I like to call my leisure suit. So it's like a velvet set. So it's black and it's velvet, so the first bit is the shorts. So they're just like slightly high-waisted little velvet black shorts. And then the top is this off-the-shoulder black velvet, again just top, long sleeve. It's also got like an elastic band thing on the bottom. So yeah, when you wear it, it kind of looks like you're wearing a play suit, but it's actually two pieces. But yeah, so it's just like off the shoulder on the left shoulder. And I got this in a size 8 and it fits really nicely. It's really, really soft. The only thing is I have cats, so they're constantly covered in cat hair. And the black velvet, I've not washed it yet, so the black velvet kind of gets everywhere, like it's always under your fingernails. So that's just something to bear in mind. However, I love it. It's so cozy, it looks really cute. I think this was about £12, £13. They have so many loungewear suits, like sets, on their website. I want them all. I saw Megan Roberts do a BOOHOO haul yesterday and she had a little pink like set. It was cotton and it was like baby pink, and honestly I really want that too, but like I need to stop buying loungewear sets because I have too many clothes to lounge around in. So you'll notice a bit of a theme. I think everything apart from one thing I got is black, but you know, I just really like it. It's a staple. I like wearing black. So the next thing I got is actually inside out, but it'll do. It looks the same inside out and like the right way around. So this is a little bodysuit, so it just has the poppers at the bottom obviously, and it's just like a scoop neck here, and it has little poppers that just pop open and it's ribbed and it's short sleeved and it's really, really comfy. Again, I got this in a size 8 and it fits really well. Everything from BOOHOO is just really comfy. I find the materials are always really soft and really comfortable, and I really like BOOHOO stuff. Again, I think this was like a £5, and yeah, it looks really, really nice. I'll be including try-on clips throughout this video of all of the clothing items, so keep a lookout for those. But yeah, I really, really like this, and they had it in a few different colours. I kind of want it in different colours, but then I'm like, will I wear it in the other colours? I only ever wear black, so the next thing I got is the only thing that isn't fully black, and it's white. I actually did get the black version of this, but they didn't have the black version in a 8. They only had it in a 10 and it was just way too big for me. So yeah, this is from like a separate brand. When I actually got it, it said Miss Pap on the tags, but I got it from BOOHOO, so I think they're kind of like linked. But yeah, it's this little kind of like bralette style. It's got like cups here, off the shoulder mesh top. So it's all completely mesh. All the back's completely mesh, apart from obviously the cups have a lining in them, and it's got a little ruffle along the top, and it's just really nice. I really like black with white, like white and black. I have a bit of an obsession with cows, so anything that's, and like Dalmatians, so anything that's white with black spots, I'm like, yes please. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute. Again, it was like £4, £5. I got this in a size 8. It kind of is stitched a bit funny at the top, so I don't know if you can see I've got little clips on it just to like line it up whilst it's in the wardrobe. But yeah, I thought it'd be really nice with like a pair of high-waisted jeans or a pair of high-waisted, like, what are they called? Flare trousers with some heels. But yeah, I thought it was really cute and I really like polka dots, so I thought, you know, I would get it. It's quite short, obviously. It's like, that's just the bra bit and then it's only got like an inch below that. But I don't really mind that because I've got a really short body. I'm like 5'1", so when I wear high-waisted pants as well on top of this, you pretty much can't see any of my skin anyway, so like, it doesn't really matter for me. But if you are taller, then that is something to maybe look out for. But yeah, I think it's really, really pretty. And oh, it's got a description. This is the polka dot mesh crop top in white. I next got again another black thing. This is like a racerback type top. They had them in white and then they had them in like a pack of black and white, but I just went for the black because I very rarely wear white tops. I don't really know why. I prefer wearing black. I'm a clumsy person. I spill things, so black is just very easy. White is just like call it for a disaster really. But yeah, so this is just like a really nice racerback. It kind of reminded me of kind of reminded me of like the 90s or whatever, but I don't really, yeah. It was like £3 or £4 and it's the BOOHOO Petite because again, as I said, I'm like 5'1". And I got this in a size 10 because they didn't have any 8s, but it fits really nicely, it's really stretchy, and yeah, it's just really nice, like cotton. I'd just wear this with sweatpants, I'd wear it with jeans. I wouldn't wear it with leggings because I don't know why, but yeah. I just think it's cute with like a few layered necklaces. Yeah, got that. The next thing I got is this bodysuit. Again, I really like I don't really tend to buy like on fast fashion websites, which is why I don't do a lot of clothing hauls because I like to minimise the amount of stuff I'm buying. But when like companies use recycled fabrics and stuff like that, it makes me more likely to purchase it. So I saw that BOOHOO has like a whole like recycled range where they use like recycled fabrics to create clothes, which I think is incredible. And I saw this bodysuit. I've wanted like a really deep v-neck bodysuit anyway. So when I saw this and I saw that it was in the recycled section, I was like, you know what, that is for me, I'm gonna get it. So it's like this ribbed material, it's v-neck on the front and the back. And yeah, it's made out of recycled material, which is cool. Recycled, reloved from BOOHOO. I got this in a size 8 and it fits really nicely. This is the recycled chunky rib V-front bodysuit in black. They had it in a load of other colours as well, so I definitely recommend going to check out, you know, their recycled range, because you know, you're just doing a bit of extra for the planet, which is always good. Okay, so that's everything I got from BOOHOO. Finally, I saw it first. I just went on there for a little browse really, and I found 3 things in their sale again that I really liked. So this is a bodysuit. Like I said, it's white. I never buy white things because I'm really clumsy, but it was £9. It's a really nice style. As you can see, I kind of like really like this milkmaid frilly kind of thing going on at the moment. But yeah, it's laced up at the front and it's just like white and puffy, and it's got off the shoulder sleeves, or you can put it on the shoulder too. And yeah, the bodysuit thing is like a thong, so it's not like gonna show under any trousers or anything. And it just got a zip at the back. The zip was a bit of a struggle for me to put up myself, but you know, if you've got a friend then that's great. But yeah, it's just really nice and I think it looks really flattering, to be honest. And finally, I just got a pair of like scuba material long high-waisted flare trousers that are in black because I've always wanted some, but as I said, I'm short. They never fit me. They're always like a foot longer than my legs, and I just tried these. I thought, you know what, I'll just go for it. And they're surprisingly, they actually fit me. They're very, very high-waisted, so I just kind of fold them over a bit. But the legs, when I'm wearing heels, they actually fit, which is just incredible. So if you're short, then I will definitely link these down below and go and try them and check them out. So that is everything I got from BOOHOO and I saw it first. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.